Acne Solutions Guide: How to Look for the Right Dermatologist. If you're having consistent problems with facial acne, then it's about time that you look for a dermatologist to help you. After all, over-the-counter acne solutions such as salicylic acid can't help you anymore, so you need professional help. However, most people just choose the first dermatologist that's referred to them. The problem is that your first choice isn't always your right choice. Working with the wrong dermatologist could cause a host of problems too. So to keep that from happening, we've created this video to share with you how to look for the right dermatologist. Here are some considerations that you need to make. 1. Get a referral from your friend. You might not get it right the first time, but getting a referral from your friend increases your chances of landing up with the right dermatologist right away. Ask from your friends if they can recommend a dermatologist to you with whom they have a personal experience with. Ask them how it was consulting with a dermatologist and how effective the dermatologist's advice was in dealing with their acne problem. 2. Check out your local listings. You might not be able to get referrals from your friends, so if that's the case, you could also check out your local listings. They may not be as reliable as direct referrals, but they still give you a good chance of ending up with the right one. After all, it is often only the more established clinics that can afford getting listed. But also prepare yourself and your wallet for this dermatologist because they're also good at charging more expensively than your average clinic. However, the good news is that you offset your costs by getting the right kind of treatment that you need. 3. Check out online forums. If you have local dermatology forums, then you can also check them out. Most of the people who hang out at these forums are typically helpful, and they will go the extra mile in referring to you a dermatologist that they know. This is as good as getting a direct referral from your friend. However, take some tips with a grain of salt because you can't really tell if these guys are telling you the truth or are just pulling your leg. Again, don't choose a dermatologist just because his services are cheaper or if he's the first one who's been referred to you. Try to strike the balance between the price of each service and how well he does that service. The list that we put together for you is ordered in the level of reliability. Nothing beats referrals from your friends, of course, because they can also provide you with additional information that you won't typically find in the other options, such as how they handle clients and how much they charge. In the end, the decision's up to you. Just remember that it's always better to get things right the first time. You spend less time worrying, and you wouldn't waste your money moving from doctor to doctor in the process. For step-by-step clear skin solution, visit us at www.acneskinsite.com.